Look at that guy. Now, I don't know how this works or how you're able to get that done, but anyway, let's take a look inside here. Giant Pooh Bear. You can get fountains for your house. Oh, look, there's a table over there. People playing cards. Another bear. Guess if you got that much room, you want people out there playing, go ahead. Look at this giant Christmas sleigh. People out here really do some crazy Christmas. I think I showed you some lights last year, but I mean, the sets, Christmas lights out here can go insane. Bears. Just gonna walk up the sidewalk here.